Mix egg yolk, vanilla, flour, and sugar in a pot to make a pudding. Add evaporated milk and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously until thickened. Remove from heat and stir in butter until well combined. Then chill in the ref covered with cling wrap. Using a hand mixer, whip chilled all-purpose cream until doubled in volume. Scoop 1/4 of whipped cream and gently fold into the cooled pudding until well incorporated. Repeat until all of the cream is mixed. Step 2 is layer. Layer M.Y. Sun graham crackers in the bottom of a square or rectangular pan. Then pour the pudding. Repeat until you make the 2 to 3 layers, ending with M.Y. Sun graham crackers on top. Step 3 is top. Place half cup of all-purpose cream in a small pot, then heat until simmering. Turn off heat, then add the chocolate and allow to melt. Then pour mixture on top of the graham pudding layers. Allow to chill in the refrigerator at least overnight. At ayan na, gawa ng ating eclair cake, kaya tara, kain na tayo. Sobrang saya ko dahil nakabanding ko ulit ang mga anak ko, especially this holiday season. Ito yung mga sweeter moments na for sure maaalala